Aloha, good morning everybody. This is John with Epic Lava. We are coming to you live from the Kamokuna Ocean entry on the big island of Hawaii. And you are definitely going to want to put your finger on that share button today because live and direct for 2 days this has been happening at least. It's the longest period of time anything like this has ever gone on. Oh God. Man, this is a hell of a show today.
Yeah, wow.
Whoa, buddy.
Try the Harada. Try to do those. No, it's not 2 seconds.
Give me my Harada. Wonder how that would look with that thing. Probably cool, huh? So if you were just joining us, we are coming to you live from Kilauea Volcano on the big island of Hawaii. This is the 61G lava flow entering the ocean at Kamokuna.